Hi, it's Amy with Tyler Supply Network. Did you know the chemicals used for your wheel balance are just as important as the weights you use? Making sure the surface of the rim is thoroughly cleansed of road grime, oil, and dirt is essential when using tape weights. So we offer a few options when it comes to wheel cleaning products. First, the most economical choice we offer is a 32-ounce wheel cleaner spray bottle. It's water-soluble, non-toxic, and biodegradable. We also have Stick Pro Wheel Cleaner in spray and wipe version. Both the Stick Pro spray and wipes easily clean rims and remove brake dust and grease without the need for any water. Both are suitable for alloy, steel, aluminum, chrome, or varnished wheels and can even work on plastic wheel covers.